Hello, and welcome to another Interhuman guide. My name is Philip, and today we'll go over integrating the streaming API to get real-time results from a live video stream. We already looked at the upload flow, where you send the full video file and wait for processing before getting a result back. The streaming endpoint is a bit different. It lets you send video frames as they happen and receive signals back continuously. Okay, let's go over and look at our docs. We're going to be working with this guide today. It's the streaming video analysis. You should already have an API key by this point. And just like before, the first thing we need to do is authentication. So let's go over that quickly. Our authentication is pretty simple. You'll call the auth endpoint with your key ID, key secret, and the scope you want the token to be valid for. So in this case, that's going to be the stream scope. And to make integration even easier, we got some examples here in several languages. And once you get a successful response, you'll have an access token that you can use going forward. To visualize this guide, I built a very simple website, a demo app, that captures a video from the browser, basically this camera over here, and streams it directly to Interhuman. Now let's look at some code and see how this works. First, we'll need to access the video source. In this case, I'm just using the browser camera and showing it on the website as visual feedback for the user. Once the camera is running, we open a streaming connection to Interhuman. And at this point, we authenticate to get the access token, just like we talked before, and open up the connection to Interhuman. Next, we need to start sending some frames. Instead of sending individual frames, we buffer the video into short segments. In this case, I'm doing it every 4 seconds and stream each segment as soon as it's ready. Finally, once we get back the signals, we display them on the website for the user to read. Let's go to the browser again and see it in action. I'll start the camera and start streaming the video, and as the stream runs, you'll see responses coming back from Interhuman. We'll send back info when we have received the segment and are processing it, so you're up to date with what's happening. And of course, we'll send you the signals that we detected in each segment. When setting up the stream and sending frames, there are several things that you can choose, like resolution, frame rate, or segment duration. And naturally, some work better than others. And to get the best results and the lowest latency, here are the settings that we currently recommend. You can of course pause the video here or take a screenshot for further reference. That's it. You're now ready to set up and use the streaming endpoint of Interhuman AI. If you run into any issues or have questions, we're here to help. So don't hesitate to reach out. See ya.